This recipe was made by my grandmother, my father taught me, and I'm sharing this with you. It's a delicious recipe for cooking olives. I'm using what we call in Italy the pigeon eggs olives. All I have is 2 rocks to break the olives. The process is simple. You break the olives, you put them in the bowl, you add some salt, and then mix it. Let them sit indoor overnight. The next day, you're gonna drain all the juice out. If you want, you can add extra salt and mix it again. And let them sit indoor covered for another night. The next day the olives are a little bit darker and we'll repeat the same process. This time we'll cover the olives with hot water and let it sit for another night. The following day we change the water. And let it sit for another night. You can see how the water looks clear now. All the bitter taste and bad stuff is gone, and we're ready to cook them. For this recipe, I'm using the garlic, parsley, some dried tomatoes, seed oil, and a touch of vinegar. Now let it cook for about 20 minutes. And don't forget to stir it a few times. The result is a very juicy and tasteful olive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please hit the like button. And if you love it, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time.